yours, let's go.
Can I take you over to my hideaway? Some things that I wanna say, but it's only for you and me. Don't need some privacy. Can I take you over to my hideaway? Got some things that I wanna say, but it's only for you and me. Don't need some privacy. Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to my hideaway?
Yeah, it's Fatal to ya, featuring BMW. We hot up in here. I'm telling you, man, you gonna need the North Pole to cool us off, man. For sure.
Talofa everyone, and a warm Pacific greetings to you all. Oh my goodness, it's Friday. We got our hats on.
Happy
and
Friday.
we're just a little bit dressed up for a very special occasion today because, you know, although every single day is special, today is extra special because we got West Side up in the house today.
Definitely, and we did not plan these outfits. It was just by coincidence that we both wore off-the-shoulder tops and like a hat. So we're more in sync than we anticipated.
I know, actually. Really, literally. Guys, but a massive thank you to everyone who've tuned in. And if you haven't already noticed, we are in the office today. We've let Lorenzo and Asiata out and about today we thought, you know what, we'll give them the green light to head out over there and show some love there at the vaccination centre at Mount Smart Stadium. So if you haven't quite decided yet, you can do that right over there. I think it's a 3-day event, but all of the information is on Lorenzo's page and also available on Blue TV. But today, massive thank you to our sponsor. If you've got an idea and you're thinking, oh my gosh, how am I going to get this off the ground? Where do I go for help or any kind of assistance? Hit up our amazing friends there at The Generator, who is also sponsoring our team here at Blue TV. We've got the beautiful Whalute, Pacific 40, and of course, Maota o Samoa in Samoa. So fuel up with Maota o Samoa. But today, I think we should just cut this intro short.
Let's do it.
But before we do, I know that we wanted to say a massive thank you once again to everyone who voted for us for the New Zealand Podcast Award. Unfortunately, our team didn't quite make it over the line, but we did make it up against some big hitters and who have been in the game for years. But you know what? That hasn't stopped us. We're going to come back stronger and better than ever. So don't forget to follow us every single day. Next year, we've got a whole new show coming to you, just for you, for our people, to share the many stories of our Pacifica and just all walks of life here. PNC.
Definitely. No, I think that she has literally said it all. Couldn't have said it any better. But yes, a huge thank you to everyone that did vote for us, and a huge congratulations to everyone, to all the all the other podcasts that did place. And just congratulations on being nominated. But like I said yesterday, Ben and I, we already feel like huge winners because we have had the fantastic opportunity to be able to mingle with our community and meet just so many valuable guests on our show.
I think that's probably
that to us is a win already. But like Bear said, we are going to cut this intro short. We're going to go head into a break now because when we come back, we have the Deadly 3 trio. We're so excited. One of them is called Sin, like the 7 deadly sins. So I'm just so excited for today's
You know what?
show.
Are you stuck on that lyric? Here's that song that comes to mind. What is it? My something. Na, 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 na. My something. Is it that? I don't quite know who sings that song, and I don't actually quite know the lyrics to that song. The 3 trio that we've got right after this. Guys, it's going to be lit today. Stay tuned. After this break, we've got the 135 playlist from West Auckland on our show today.
See you soon, guys.
Tau tua ma le au nanga mo tau sa mo service station le tona ma. Ma tau te tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele ni sio ma tau au nanga ise. Ale ngata foile, ma tau te sia ke ina fo ilo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah utapan. Apa itu yang baik Pak Ulusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah utapan. Mulu no posila fia, mua tapi lah utapan le peaut. Mua tapi lah telepon ni time me utu ina lah utapan. Mana baenga mulu. Mana tua fo? E matua I whasa aina, lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga whapengi. Ota Samoa, ore ma ota mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au na pia mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Talofa lava, everyone, and welcome back to this very deadly Friday episode of Blue Table Podcast. Today we have three incredible, very, very funny girls. We've got Linda, Sin, and we'll elaborate a little bit more on that. But we've got Sin and we've got Funny, and they make up the 135 playlist group. Now, the 135 playlist was established just over a year ago and is a music podcast made up of three longtime girlfriends getting together to reminisce and laugh over music, building the ultimate playlist to get you through life's challenges. Now, the 135 playlist is a part of the West West Network, a platform for Polynesian people to share and showcase their ideas, expertise, interests through podcasting, video, and articles. Now, it's the ultimate dream to grow the network and its members to be able to create a full-time basis, allowing the voice of the Pacific to share its perspective with the masses.
Oh my goodness. I'm already quite worried about these girls. Look, today, like we said, three lethal players to the game. We've got Cynthia Crichton. And this is what Cynthia sent through. A life starts at 40. Cynthia is a mum to 4 boys, born and raised in the 135 Ranui, West Auckland. I love to sing to my family, especially karaoke with my mates. Linda Haymans, 30-something? You mean like 40-something? She is a mum of 2 boys, pretty much a friendly West Auckland girl, born, bred, and living in the West Auckland, probably for life. And I think I believe that. And then we've got the beautiful, the awesome Bunny Tamaino, 30-ish, and then some years old. A mum to 2 boys, born and raised in the 135 Ranui for life. Just your average Maori mum with a hoary attitude, but I have a job.
Her words, not ours.
It is an absolute honor and pleasure to introduce to you the lethal,
the very deadly
combo from West Auckland. Talofa lava ladies, how are you?
Talofa, hi guys.
Talofa, good, thanks.
And I know it's going to be a good show already because I can see Linda trying not to laugh. So I know it's going to be good.
Okay, guys, we're gonna smash this out. We'll start with Linda. We'll go Linda. Actually, no. We'll start with the sinful one. We'll start with Sin, Linda, and then we'll go Bunny. Please introduce yourself to all of our viewers, please.
Wow.
Okay. Kia ora. You basically had my little intro, but let's be real, 40-something-year-old, part Māori, mum of 2, full-time working, full-time mummying, want to be full-time podcasting. So that's basically me in a little nutshell.
Sinful one.
Yes.
The sinful one,
Let's go
please.
to Sin.
Okay, yeah. Mum to 4 boys. I'm a teacher, and I basically hope to do podcasting full time. I mean, isn't that everyone's dream?
Yeah.
It's certainly a fun one.
Yeah.
A fun one, yeah. Fun?
And I'm Punny. Hi everybody. I make up 1/3 of the 135 playlist. And like it's already been said, I'm mother of 2 boys. Ranui for life. That's me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies. I just want to elaborate while we're at the introduction stage. Cynthia / Sin. Why did you choose the name Sin as your nickname?
I don't know. You should ask my friends. Everyone calls me. I think because they're lazy, they can't say the full name.
Because I'm going to remind the viewers, the 7 deadly sins are pride, greed, lust, envy, gluttony, wrath, and sloth. Now, do any of those resonate with you, Sin?
I pass.
You can answer when we're
I think I've
offline.
tried all.
I
Look,
think
ladies.
as a rule, we shorten everybody's names, eh? Like it's too formal to call you, like, you know, by your full name. I feel like that's what we
Yeah.
do. We just give nicknames.
Give
Yeah, like
nicknames. So
Punny, we
'Cause
call her
call-
Pun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then, Linda, are you Lynn?
Well, no.
She's money.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I have a nickname. So if you don't have a nickname, you've got a shortened name.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Love it.
You
Yeah,
know
so
what?
we're PNC because we
We're
thought
just
it was
PNC
too.
now.
We thought it'd be too formal.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
That's cool.
Oh, guys, you know, we've watched you, you know, with your podcast. We've seen the snippets and we absolutely love it. We're in fits every single time. We scroll through newsfeed and there you have it. It's not just about the music. It's not about the playlist. It's not about the ultimate playlist, but it's about you guys bringing so much joy into not only myself and Claudia's lives, but to West Auckland and to the whole of New Zealand. Guys, I've been really looking forward to playing this game, so I'm going to kick it off, okay? I have picked 5 lyrics, okay, from some of my very favorite songs. And they're a bit naughty too.
No pressure.
Sweat,
Okay?
sweat.
So I'm not going to sing it. I'm just going to read it like a
Oh, you sing
poet,
it, girl.
like a poetic way of reading something. And then you just have to guess who the singer is. And bonus points if you can get the name of the song. So we'll start. Song number 1. Last night, I saw you standing and I started pretending.
Stephen Campbell.
Oh,
I
you better relax
Is
there.
that Linda?
No,
Okay, bonus points, sing.
Choke, Linda. What's that? Sorry.
Do you want to sing that part, please,
I
Linda?
got that part. So then Cynthia does the singing, and
Wow.
yeah. So yeah, that's how.
And I'll do the dancing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, Sin.
Last night I saw you standing and I started pretending that I knew you. And
Yes.
that's the only bit of the lyrics that I kind of know.
Me too.
Oh,
love to sing
man, I
along with the
love
song.
that. Okay,
That's a jam.
Love
That's so
it.
that's our
love.
jam. That is so our jam. Okay,
That is the ultimate jam, isn't it?
it is the ultimate jam. Okay, song number 2. Did you want to give it a go, Claudia?
Okay, let's do song number 2. Thinking about the way that things used to be when it was you and me. Girl, I was so free. See, you had my heart from the start like Cupid.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, let's see.
thinking about what?
Thinking about the way that things used to be when it was you and me, girl. I was so free, see. You had my heart from the start like Cupid. It's so hard not to sing it.
Yeah, sing it.
Sing it. I
Yeah,
reckon
just
sing
sing
it.
it.
Sing it.
Right from the start.
You guys, come on. What are your guesses?
Man. So if you don't know, Sin and I don't listen to lyrics. So we're screwed. We are
Yeah.
screwed.
Oh, I just need a bit of a tune.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You know what? I
I've
forgot
forgotten
the
words
tune.
already.
I think I forgot to... Wait.
Oh, wait, and here I'm trying to think of the tune now.
I just had it on the tip
Last
of my
night I
tongue.
was thinking
Is it a
about you
dude?
and me.
It's an oldie. Okay, so
It's
before the show, you guys were feeling a little bit nervous and you were,
Okay, sweat.
yeah, what's the song?
Boy. Gee.
in the belt.
Something about,
Think cyclones.
no,
You
hang
know
on.
what
Think-
cyclones do?
Oh,
Twisted.
Twisted.
yes! Can you believe those are the lyrics?
Man.
Damn it.
I don't think I knew those lyrics, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Terrible.
And that's why I really, really wanted to, I didn't even know, I forgot the tune actually. Okay,
Nice.
song number
Nice.
3.
Okay.
We've got, okay, don't sing it, Bea, don't sing it. I've got you on my mind, your secret admirer. I've been watching you. at night, I think of you. Sorry.
Wow. Oh my
I
God.
think of you. I want
I
to
feel
be
scared.
you, lady.
You should.
Maybe. What do you reckon? It's another. It's a very popular one, and
It went viral at one stage.
It went viral at one stage. Something like this.
Oh,
I
like
saw you.
Bobby
I was
Brown.
stalking you.
No.
Oh.
Poppy Proud.
Bobby Brown or MC Hammer.
Oh my
No.
God, we are terrible.
Yeah.
How do we run a music podcast?
Yeah, we don't
No,
know.
but remember the lyrics. It's just one of those things because I'm terrible at it. I'm famous for making up my own words, though.
I know this
Yes,
song, but
I-
like,
Yeah.
That's so
Yeah.
dumb. Yeah, so I
okay,
mean, you're
what
probably
do you-
saying the wrong words of
oh,
yeah.
can I give them
Yeah.
a clue?
Give them a clue.
Yeah,
Give
give
them
us a clue.
So what do you see when you see a ghost? The ghost goes,
Boo.
yes.
Okay, what do you call your side person?
What?
I want to be your
There we go.
Oh, that explains it.
What's that? Ghost Town DJs, maybe?
Yes, that's it.
Yes,
That's
that's
it. My boo.
See, I can do that side.
That's
Just need
a
someone to
jam
do
too.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you know what,
Nice,
guys? Because you know what? I think we've already taken. I really, really want to do
Wait,
this.
can we just do one more really quickly?
Okay, let's do one more song. We'll do
So-
one more
Okay,
song.
we'll try and get one. We'll try
If
and
you
get
don't know this song, then
Try get
I don't
one.
know, girls. Okay, so wait.
Then we just cut the podcast.
Yeah, okay, wait. Game face, Claudia. You touched my heart and made me whole again. Where were you when I danced alone? I don't love you anymore, Samoa.
I don't love you anymore.
What the
Samoa.
fuck?
her. Yeah, I need someone to take my job. I don't even know the song.
So that was a trick one that Bear added in, and that was actually her giving a
Of
crack at
course
writing
she
her
did.
own lyrics. So those are her own lyrics. So I'm just going to read it one more time.
Let's hear that real one.
So she wrote, you touched my heart and made me whole again. Where were you when I danced alone? I don't love you anymore, Samoa. What are you?
Guys, I was
Is
thinking
it-
about-
Is it from Jamal and Jam?
I think that.
Oh, it's Eddie's.
Oh, man, that was amazing.
Guys, you know
Thanks,
what?
Bear.
I was,
joy to
I was
my
just trying to attempt to, be a little bit more, sassy with my lyrics, and I was just thinking, I want to make up my own song.
Oh, that was sassy, all right.
Oh,
Guys,
that's great.
it's an absolute honor having you guys here. Thank you so much. We're going to get straight into the questions because we know there's 3 of you, and we're going to cut into our time, guys. But first of all, ladies, what actually inspired you guys to create a podcast for the ultimate playlist?
That was Sin.
Yeah.
Sin started this podcast, and then she linked up with Linda and was like, Linda, jump on. And then they both reached out to me and asked if I could jump on it. So it just started just like that, just out of nowhere, pretty much. Hey, guys.
Yeah.
I love
think
that
'cause,
so much.
Sorry. I just think because there was everything else but not music. So it was kind of like, why
Yeah.
wouldn't we?
Yeah.
And it is a music podcast. Now, can you please just tell us, because you did tell me while we were offline on a break, but can you just tell our viewers why you chose the name 135 Playlist?
So 135
yeah.
is so we're from the West Network, and we've all kind of grown up in Ranui, West Auckland, and it started with the back of the 135 with the boys, and so we became the 135 playlist from that. That's right, eh, guys?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
pretty much piggybacked off that to be like, you've got your everything, but
Yeah.
we'll do the music side of it.
Because back in the day, it was just really naughty people that used to, use bus routes as their kind of like tagline. So it's like, "What's up? I'm from the 135." Is that kind of something
Yeah.
that you guys? Were you the naughty crowd at school?
Yeah.
No.
No, we were in the RFGs, and they were like a scholar gang. No, but yeah, if you're from Ranui, you know it's 135 or 832 or 833, something like that.
Yeah.
So 135 is Ranui, and so that's where the name comes from, basically. But yeah, nah. Ranui for life, gang. That was a gang.
Yeah,
Just wanted
Cynthia,
to.
Ranui homegirls.
I was going to say, I'm actually not from Ranui. Those two are. We met a different way, but West is West.
Yeah.
just wanting to make that clear, Linda.
Yeah, to say, yeah. Because everyone will be sitting here, and if they know me, they'll be like, she didn't grow up in Ranui.
Yeah.
Now, Cynthia, I'm going to ask you this question, or Sin, I should say. Sorry. You guys are a music podcast.
Yeah.
What song do you think best describes you guys as a group?
Well, I think Unstoppable by Sia.
Oh, yes.
I've actually got two, and the other one was I don't know if you guys know this one. Your Voice by John Farnan. You're the voice trying to understand it.
Oh, yes.
Wait, can you sing it? Because your voice is stunning. Is that all right, Sin?
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
let's hear
No,
it.
it's not. It's just practice.
I've been practicing for a long time and I still don't sound like you, Sin.
Same.
So which one am I going for? Unstoppable. Yeah, I've got two. I was like, were you waiting for something?
Yeah, you know what, Sin, you know what, I kind of just trying to remember what the song sounds like. You able to sing it for us, please?
Boy, bear. Which one? Your Voice?
Both that just best describes you guys as a group.
I need the lyrics. So Your Voice is by John Farnan. You're the voice trying to understand it. And then I don't know the lyrics.
Best version I've ever heard.
Yeah. And Unstoppable from Sierra's I'm unstoppable.
Nice.
You guys, honestly, you guys are all just such a vibe and you all like mesh so well. And it's just like laughs, and more laughs. And I love that. What do you think is the reoccurring subject that always pops up in most of your podcasts? Is it
I
love?
reckon it's nostalgia.
Nostalgia.
I always reckon it goes back to nostalgia. And for us, because we're longtime friends, we always reference a song back to a period. Or do you remember when we did this? Or remember when we went here, kind of thing. And I think that's what music does for a lot of people. It brings back memories and feelings attached to that. So that's definitely a reoccurring theme for us.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. You are all mums of some handsome boys, and I remember sitting in the car. I was quite young, and and back in the days, Boys to Men, I'll Make Love to You was the jam. So you're sitting in the car, you've got the radio turned up, and you're a Samoan girl, and you're sitting in the car, Vale, and you're like, oh yeah, I know this song. And I'm sitting there, and you're like, I'll make love to you like you want me to. And your parents are in the front going, and I'm sitting there, what I was like 13 or something, enjoying this jam. And you're just sitting there awkwardly with your mum and dad. I had no idea what, these lyrics meant. But have you ever been in a situation, my mum shut me down so fast. I was kind of like, what, just a song? And it wasn't until I hit my 20s and my 30s when I was like, what has your reaction been when your children have sung some of the popular songs with those lyrics?
Honestly, I sing along with them.
That's right. Yeah,
I sing it. That's the truth, honest. But like, I do have a story of being in my friend's car and staying the night with my friend, and I was singing some song. I think it was a Monica one, and then he turns around and he was like, "Yeah, okay, that's enough." And in my mind, I was like, "Oh shit," because I was just enjoying myself. But I was like, "Stop singing because of my voice is stink, or the song is bad. Like, which one is it?" No. But yeah, I would just sing along with my kids, honestly. Yeah.
Now, talking about like singing and jamming along, what has your lockdown jam been? And we'll start with you, Bunny. What has your lockdown jam been?
Lockdown jam. I have a lockdown album, and like I still listen to Hawkins, who we did a podcast for his album on. And so if I want to feel sad, I listen to What Have You Done? If I want to feel sexy, I listen to Fireflies. If I want to be happy, then I listen to his song, Street Lights.
Yeah.
And so that's something for everything to get you through that lockdown is that album for me.
I'm actually interested to hear what Sin's ultimate lockdown playlist is, because I'm kind of needing some of that love right now. Sin, is there? What's your ultimate lockdown jam?
Kevin Ross
yeah.
is an ultimate jam this lockdown, actually. Looking for Love, his new one that's come out. Yeah, and Do It For Love too. Yeah. Very soulful R&B song. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely what we need right about now. But what about yourself, Linda?
Because I don't even listen to the radio. I stick to my old, 80s, 90s. That's like my decade. But I'm lately like on TikTok. There's lots of songs that they're redoing. So I don't know if you know Cherish. They sing that song, Do It To It. Yes. Well, now they've brought out like a TikTok version, which is kind of cool. So I love that they do that to old songs.
Can you show us?
Yeah, I'll just play it on my phone. I've actually got it ready.
I love that.
No.
Are you?
And I did my little singing just before.
Damn
so
you.
I'm good.
So Linda came prepared, Sin.
She's good.
Prepared.
I thought there might be a moment, and I'm like, that's not me. I only do dancing. That's it. Okay.
Did you want to show us a bit of dance? I love dancing.
I think you guys all have all seen my apparently signature move. It was one podcast.
What is your signature move?
Was it like away from that?
Yeah.
That's it, basically.
Yeah. And I love it.
Dancing for the lazy. Just sitting in the chair.
Yeah, that's it. Twirl around.
Done. Yep. Sit around in my chair. Done.
But Linda, can you just remind us one more time what the jam was for this move?
To be honest, I think it was every jam on that podcast. It was the ultimate bedroom playlist.
That's the one.
So it was just like,
The ultimate bedroom playlist. You gotta love those jams. But you know what was interesting about that particular that particular podcast was I don't think at our age there is really kind of a move that you can kind of sway. But anyways, we'll keep that. It's a bit R18. But guys, I know that we've kind of gone a little bit over time, but we're just gonna quickly. I'm gonna ask one more question, and I do apologize, but can you separate the music from the singer? Is probably the question that myself and Claudia, I'm okay. I can still jam to something like.
I think we're specifically talking about the R. Kelly.
R. Kelly.
If you guys have kind of been following the R. Kelly story, we've been wondering because R. Kelly, he released a lot of huge singles, but what he has done is not okay. Can you separate the music from the singer?
Well, I'll take this one, guys, because, that's the other, recurring theme was R. Kelly. I couldn't because, I said to the girls, I invest in the singer. When I like them, I start to love them personally as well. And that helps me with their music and everything. So when all of that happened, I couldn't separate him from the music. But what we did establish is that I didn't realize all the other songs he wrote for people that I loved. But I could compartmentalize that and be like, well, they sing that, he wrote it, but whatever. I couldn't.
Well, see, that's the same with me. Like even now, some songs I'm just like, I can't. I just feel way too guilty. I'm like, I can't. I refuse. I can't separate the singer from.
Well, I'll tell you what I can. I can separate the two because to me it's about the vibe of the song. It's my connection and my memory to the particular song and not the artist.
Yeah.
And your question, you ask yourself, if you didn't know anything about the artist, you would think that song was still a jam, right?
Yeah.
So really it's your vibe and your connection to the song.
Yeah.
So that's my
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, yeah, and I love that. But you know, Hani, what are your thoughts? I feel like I need to know what you're thinking
I'm
about
listening on
this
this one. I separate. Like I still listen to R. Kelly, and I don't feel bad listening to it because of my memories and connections growing up with his music. So I want to jam it if I want to jam it, and that's how I feel about it. But if you don't, then you don't. So whatever you want to do. But I'm gonna play R. Kelly because I want to listen to R. Kelly.
And that's the thing. I remember I got pissed off because I was like, I forgot he did like some song, and it was just like kind of gutting. But I was like, but I will listen to that song still, but I'll still be judgy.
Yeah. No, we were actually, I played a jam yesterday and I said, my mind's telling me no.
To me, no.
But my body's telling me yes. And you know, and that's a prime example of the ultimate, I love that jam. And honestly, if you play that jam to me in the car,
She'll be doing the Linda.
I'll be doing this the whole time. You got me.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna call that move the Linda now.
You're welcome, guys.
But ladies, look, you know, we would love to really spend another 2 hours, but maybe we can just go into our own platform and just really, because I would love to continue to talk about the music, the love for the music, and so much more, because there's just certain parts of music that I don't know what it is. Music is just a whole different language itself that I think we need another 2 hours, especially with the 3 lethal ladies. But ladies, thank you so much for being part of our podcast. We're going to wrap up, but before we wrap up, ladies, using your favorite lyrics from your favorite song, can you please share your final words for all of our viewers? Anything inspirational?
At your best, you are love.
Oh, nice. Maybe free your mind and the rest will follow.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
And keep trying, believe in you.
And
Everyone's like, what is that song?
Really, really powerful lyrics, guys. I love it.
And this is what I mean about the music. It's a whole new language, and guys,
medicine for the soul.
Medicine for the soul, definitely. Did you have anything else, any shout outs that you wanted to make before we wrap up?
Sorry,
shout out to the West West Network.
Yeah, Trevor.
Yeah, shout out to our network.
And thank you, ladies, so much.
Yeah, thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Sweaty.
That was fun.
Really appreciate it.
We need more time. Man, I was nervous.
Oh, no, don't worry. We'll invite you guys back on Monday, because I feel like we're going to need to continue Monday. But guys, thank you so much. It has been an absolute honor having you both on. The vibe, the energy that you guys bring, the lyrics that you bring.
Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in and for sharing this beautiful, beautiful week with us. And before we wrap up for the week, I just want to remind you of the moment that Bear gave it a crack at writing her own lyrics. And they were, you touched my heart and made me whole again. Where were you when I danced alone? I don't love you anymore, some more. So that's the lyrics from Bear. But guys, have a blessed Friday and a blessed weekend. Thank you so much.
Stay safe. Follow the girls. The 1 through 5 playlist. We love you guys. God bless. Whāsoi.
Tauloko voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūlanga pitasili o le tāua. O le lafo mea o le pepa tala o loa. ona whaanga le whaatau i oloa e au ngā mole ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau e lisia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Le wana whaakau ma me te mga oi ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher ua maua le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie a me se le te whelua i mana telefoni tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo merkes o na inu e dor tamao re ainga.
Whaftea tu lava le talo for voucher mo le foi au nang fo whaftai. Ma lua lava le tampai.
Tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
Tau tua ma le au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona i mata. Ma tau teu tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele unisi o mata au nanga i se ese. Ai le ngata foi le, ma tau te sea ke ina fo i lau ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lau tapan. Afai foi vai pa olosa. Awala te pon, ma tu te siapa lah yang foi e mau lau tapan. Molo no posila fia. Mua tape lau ta vale pe out. Lua tape lau telefoni i tai me utu ina lau tapan. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo e matua i whaasaina lo tau mafutapa ai no fuanga whapeni. Ota Samoa, ole maota mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au na pia mo o Samoa. Mafutaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.